Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Apache NiFi flows for secure data routing in USA step by step clearly. Open your Apache NiFi application. Log in to your NiFi instance using your administrative credentials. Navigate to the flow you wish to update for secure data routing. Identify the processor that handles your data input. Right-click on the processor and select Configure. In the configuration window, look for the Settings tab. Ensure that the appropriate security policies are in place for this processor. Click on the Properties tab to review existing properties. Review the remote input port settings to ensure they are secured. If necessary, adjust the port settings to enable secure communication. Now, navigate to the controller settings in the NiFi menu. Ensure that all controller services used in your flow support secure connections. Enable secure protocols such as TLS or SSL in the relevant settings. After making the necessary adjustments, click Apply to save changes. Next, locate any data routing components within the flow, such as Route on Attribute. Right-click on these components and open their configuration settings. Review any filters or conditions to ensure they align with your security framework. If needed, modify these settings to improve data routing security. Return to the main canvas and check for any connection points between processors. Ensure that all connections are secured with appropriate settings. Look for any warnings or errors indicated in the flow. Resolve any issues before proceeding further. Once all settings are verified, test your updated flow. Monitor the flow's performance to confirm secure data routing. Document any changes made for future reference and audit purposes. Save your updated flow configuration upon successful testing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.